Alright. There's the poles. Oh, you can shut off the burner for a minute, Wes. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What's the spread?
Why?
Because,
Are you making sandwiches?
yeah,
For fishing?
yeah.
Huh. Everybody's up, everyone's excited. You guys getting dressed, huh?
Yeah. I can't go with.
Bro, you probably don't need to put your jacket on yet because your mom's coming with us. She's still in bed.
Okay.
So it's going to be, I'm betting it's going to be at least 35, maybe 40 minutes before we can depart. I'll go holler at Mom. Fishing, Alaska, Clooney Lake, 2020. Mom's already got her tree up. Oh, you're up. Are you get? Come on, the boys are down there.
Okay, but I'm not getting out of bed when you're video camera.
I'm videoing you. Go ahead, get out of bed.
No.
Okay. Timber's not coming with us. Boom. Now it's recording. There you go.
There's my man.
Yep, we made it to the lake.
First day of ice fishing, 2020.
Yep, day
Here,
one,
choo-choo.
2020.
Hello. Hello, Mother.
All right.
You might hear some farting in there. What?
You're gonna pull the sled, Wes?
Get ran over by the sled. We're not taking that. We're going to leave it on the ice in the tank and then we're going to I'm recording right now. What? You are? Why? Yeah. So I just heard that you're going to have Weston let the sled go and it's going to hit him. No. Yeah, it's going to hit him. No. And he's going to get run over. It's going to run him over. No. If he goes down there, he's going to get ran over. Like a little vehicle. There's the lake. Yep, here's the lake. Ice fishing. Yep. This is Clooney Lake. So, Clooney. Here it is. Big, wild. We're going to see how and what happens when you walk on the ice. Yes, yeah, I'm sort of recording the way down. Let's step on the ice. There they are. And here I am. So, Clooney Lake. How did it so deep here? Because last night it was snowing. Remember? And this morning. Bobby, you're on the ice right now. How do you know I'm not? Because that tree's right there. Here we are. Clooney Lake. 2020? I think it's Saturday. See how beautiful it is, though? That's the view. So we'll be back with you. Unloaded and fish.
All ready to start.
Hey.
Whenever you unlock the hay ball, all it does is go in the circle. And it will not drop.
Beautiful bald eagle.
Wait a second. Why'd you guys take all the bowls?
Got the fire going.
Alright. You want me to put a worm on this? A mealworm?
Bringing your pole back, Mom.
Oh. Where are they?
On the ice. I'm just sitting around the snow. Right there. Right there.
These things are kind of nasty. I like the shrimp better.
Yeah. Look at that. Some thick ice. What? It's not even in the water.
I don't know if...
Can I reel it in?
No. He just swam past it.
Want me to heat up a turkey sandwich for them?
Me. Please.
Shut up. Bro, you want one? Well, I mean, I'm gonna throw it on the fire.
Let's get so excited. I'm just glad we caught a few fish.
Can you see it, Wes?
I can see mine.
But you can't see mine.
It's nice having a big hole in the ice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can I, like, reel?
Try not to fall in.
Oh! No, he's gone!
Kidding me? What the fudge?
I'll stab him.
No.
I lost him.
Mom reeled one all the way up to the surface, and then it,
grabbed the line.
and she grabbed the line and tried to lift him out of the hole, and he went straight back down in the hole.
And of course, Dad turned the camera on.
Fishing!
Well,
Dumbass!
I think next time you might want to reach your hand in there. Fish on. All right, Mace.
Mine's getting tangled.
I want to catch
No time.
Mine's getting
Keep 'em-
tangled. Yes, it is.
Yep, you guys are getting tangled.
Oh, God, that's a big one!
Get him out of the water.
That's a big one! Holy, that is nice. Is that another Arctic chart? No.
No, that's
No,
rainbow.
that's not. That's a rainbow. Mace, you caught a rainbow.
I missed! I did it!
All right, calm down.
I'm trying to untangle this. Sweet.
There's a little hole. We got a little bit too much daylight in there.
Good.
How's it going, Mace?
Good.
Are you gonna catch any fish?
I don't know.
Who caught the last fish?
Mom.
And she caught it on this bowl here.
Yep.
We need to get rid of that daylight in that crack. I'm gonna go get the sled and put it over there to keep the light off of the hole so we can actually see down in and see the fish. Okay? Sounds good?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, bro got one?
Bro got one?
Bro, you got one?
Bro, you got one?
Come on, bro. Come on, bro, you got it. Get him up out of the hole.
Come on.
He's right there.
Don't you get that fish in my wine now.
Come on, get him out of the hole.
He's a big one.
Yeah.
All right. That's another trout.
I think
Oh.
Take a picture.
Well, I'm not going to take a picture. I'm videoing. I got you on video, bro.
Bro, I think yours is bigger than mine.
That's a nice trout.
I don't want to get hurt by it.
It ain't going to hurt you.
Why would he hurt
Oh,
you?
he's a beefy one.
Nice.
You got him? Let me just hook on him.
All right.
There you go. That's
Are you gonna hold him yourself? I'm letting go.
Not by the
Yeah.
hole.
Oh my gosh.
All right, bro. Let me see that guy. Oh, yeah. He's a nice looking fish.
Let me take your picture, bro.
Hey, is it rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a rainbow.
Wow, I like it.
fish rainbow.
He's bigger than mine.
Wes, where's your fish?
Wait on him. Ooh. There he goes.
You see him swim away?
There he went. He went
Oh!
back and forth.
Did he take my line again? He tried to bite it again.
Ooh, he
You see
bit
his
it
little
and spit it
fucker
out.
ass?
Ooh, you got him.
Did I?
Yeah, reel him. You hooked him. Get him in. That's a big one.
Watch your fish! Or watch your dinner! Lunch! Dinner!
That's a big one.
Drop him down on the ground. Jeez.
Why?
Well, because you're going to snap the line. Pick him up off the ground.
Look at now he's death rolling like an alligator. Oh, we're keeping this one.
Stealing my shrimp.
Well, there you go. Now you only got one more you can
Look
keep.
at that one.
One more big one. You gotta catch. I'm coming in.
Oh,
Coming in.
Can't believe all the fish got taken my lure. Oh, bad fish.
Where's he at?
Bad fish. Oh, fish is trying to get in. Trying to climb in his butt.
I will escape.
A line stepped right on my hook. So the entrance is in there. Alright, watch out.
I know you have a fish, but you're tangled with me.
Well, Wes, you got to get out of the way.
Well, I can't get out of the way because he's already tangled. He's way that way. He's under us.
Did you get out of the way? You're untangled?
Oh, bro,
Yeah,
it's
now.
coming my pole.
Reel up your pole, Wes.
Coming out, moving.
I'm reeling.
Oh,
Get him in
Pull
here.
him up.
Get him in here.
Pull him in. That's a keeper.
That's Caper. He's
Jeez.
got a bunch of spots and everything.
I put meat all over it.
Nice job, bro. It's been a good day so far.
Yeah. It has been a good day.